I'm Grace.
So let's get started.
I'm a recipe blogger, family-taught home chef,
Cheers.
Cheers.
iPhone-only photographer, and proud New Englander.
Beet hummus has to be one of the prettiest foods in the whole entire world. We're going to whip up some beet hummus today with just a few ingredients in a few minutes. All it is your classic hummus base. We're gonna add lots of beets to it, a little bit of fresh lemon juice and lemon zest for brightness, and then a secret ingredient that will change your entire beet hummus game. We have some pre-cooked beets here that I just got right in the grocery store, pre-cooked, pre-peeled. It makes your life so much easier. But if you wanna get some beets and cook them yourself, you can, and I'm gonna show you this quick little trick that takes only a few minutes in the microwave.
Place medium-sized beets in a single layer in a dish. Poke them so they don't explode. Add about an inch of water. Anyone thirsty? Cover with plastic wrap and microwave for about 8 minutes or until fork tender. Let them cool, then peel them. Scare people with your beet red hands.
So believe it or not, we're done with all of our prep. Now all we have to do is just throw everything in the blender. So starting off with my cooked beets. So I'm just gonna put them right in here and hope for the best that they don't splash all that red juice on me. And then chickpeas, which is the base for really any hummus. There's a lot of chickpeas, about 2 cans. You wanna drain them. And then we have some tahini, and tahini is basically sesame seeds that are ground up into this wonderful paste. And this is really gonna give your hummus that true to hummus flavor. It's also really good alone. After our tahini, then we have our 2 mystery secret ingredients, and they both happen to look almost identical. First one is ice cold water. If you want extra creamy hummus, a splash of ice cold water is the key. And then I have a little bit of white wine vinegar, and that's my other little secret. This is gonna play really nicely off the lemon that we're gonna add next. It's gonna add a nice brightness and a little bit almost like a citrusy taste, again, that will play really nicely off the lemon. And then I have my lemon, and I'm gonna grab my microplane, and I'm just gonna zest the lemon and add about a 1/4 teaspoon or so of the zest. This will give your hummus a nice lemon flavor without the acid. Gonna pop that right in. And then lemon juice. And the lemon juice is gonna add a nice tartness that's really necessary when you make beet hummus. You need to add some type of acid because the beets are really, really sweet and almost rich in flavor. So I'm gonna add about a 1/4 cup of juice. And then some garlic cloves. And I like to add a good amount of fresh garlic to this. I like that little garlicky tang. If you don't like a lot of garlic, you can always have it or even leave your garlic out. And then some hot pepper flakes. And this is also up to you. If you like things a little bit spicy, you wanna add a lot. If you don't like it, you can just omit this ingredient. And then some salt to round all those flavors out. And finally, some extra virgin olive oil, and this is gonna bring all of your hummus ingredients together. You just wanna put your top on and let this go in your blender for about a minute or 2 until it's nice and creamy. Just knocking down the sides, it's almost there. I've been dipping already. This is so great with some pita chips, or you can sprinkle a little bit of nuts on there, or herbs, or creme fraiche, ricotta salata. You could do anything on top of this hummus. It's gonna be as good as it looks. I know it. Give me a minute. Talk about an amazing hummus. It tastes like beets. It has that nice sweetness, but it also has that acid from the lemon and the vinegar. It's bright, so springtime, so summertime. Check this out on tastefullygrace.com. You won't regret it. Time to assemble.